Hi! In front of me is VIVO S17 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access the Google section. Now tap on Autofill with Google, and the blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. As you can see, after that, Google Autofill is off. If you wish to switch it back on, click on the same, now grey sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!